Hi, Geotrig students. Welcome. Welcome to our 2020-2021 school year. Obviously, this one's a little different than usual, but I'm Mr. Frankfurt, and I'm going to be your teacher here for Geotrig. So just wanted to introduce myself, let you know a little bit about me and about what you can expect from our course together. So like I said, I'm Mr. Frankfurt. And when we're here in person, we will meet in W204. So you can see back behind me here, not too many desks in here at the moment, and we'll see how many of you we ever get in the room. I would love to get as many as possible when that is able to happen. But for the time being, we've just got to kind of make the best of our virtual situation and then just be ready to make adjustments along the way if situation changes. So for right now, let's start with just telling you a little bit about me. My name is Patrick Frankfurt. I was a student at EC Glass just like you. Back in the 90s, I graduated in 99. When I was here, I was obviously a student, also a member of the swim team. That was kind of my big sport that I did all year round. Ended up swimming in college. After I finished at Glass, I went to Washington and Lee University up in Lexington, Virginia. Swam 4 years up there. Had a great time at WNL. I really enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun, made a lot of good friends. And when I was finished, I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do. So I moved myself out to Wyoming, moved with a friend out to Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and worked a few different jobs out there. When I first arrived, I worked at the ski resort, did a ton of skiing. In the summers, I also like to kind of get out and explore the mountains and enjoy time outdoors. And still do, although it's a little trickier to find as much time, and the mountains aren't quite as big here, but still like to get outside. Um, Other jobs out in Wyoming, I guess I worked as a swim coach for most of my time out there. And I also worked as basically a baggage handler, ramp agent out at the airport. So I got flight benefits out of that job and got to do a lot of traveling all over the country, all over the world. And I would highly recommend getting your chance to travel when you're young. I thought that was a great way to spend a big chunk of my 20s. So I was out in Wyoming for about 6 years and really enjoyed it. And that's where I met my wife. We moved back here to Lynchburg in, I believe, 2010. Got married not long after that. We've lived here since. My wife, Carrie, is also a teacher. She's a kindergarten at Paul Monroe. So if you're ever emailing me, you have to make sure you get Patrick Frankfurt in order to email me and not her. What else? So we moved back here, we got married. We've lived in a couple of different places downtown. We fixed up one very old house up in Federal Hill, but we eventually sold that one. And we now have two daughters. That's probably the biggest other thing I haven't mentioned yet. So, got a 5-year-old and a 6-year-old, and they are at Paul Monroe with my wife. One of them's kindergarten, and the other one is first grade. So that keeps me busy when I'm not here at Glass. Um, Little kids are a ton of fun, but a ton of work as well. So if any of you have little siblings, you know what that's like. You're just, I don't know, constantly on the move, constantly cleaning up and helping with all sorts of different things. But we have a lot of fun. So that's kind of a little bit about me. I've been teaching here at Glass for, I guess this is my 9th year. And I've done Geotrig all but one of those years. So I've got a pretty good amount of experience with this class, at least in the normal setting. This year's going to be a little different because we're starting off virtually, but I've still got a pretty good idea of kind of what I want you to know and how I want you to work through the year. So let's talk a little bit about that. This course, Geotrig, is obviously geometry with trig, and more than half the year will be geometry. Depending on maybe if our pace changes a little bit, it's possible we might go a little slower through the virtual portion just to make sure everybody is on track and understanding what they need to understand. But we will get to some trig material towards the end of the year. Um, We can talk a little bit more about that as it comes, but definitely the first half of the year will all just be geometry. Um, this course typically does do an SOL at the end. At this point, I really don't know what the deal is going to be with SOL testing, but I can tell you that we're going to do a nice job of making sure you see all the important geometry concepts. And if you do end up having to take a test at the end, you'll be prepared, and I don't think it'll be a big problem for any of you. I'm sure it's something you'll be able to do just fine on if you need to take it. So, as far as how this class is going to work, and this will start even with week one, each week you're going to be logging into Google Classroom and you're going to go under the classwork tab to see your week's worth of assignments. Everything's going to be kind of broken up week by week. And each Friday is when they're going to put out new material. So I'll be giving you each Friday a list of links and activities and different videos that you can watch and assignments that you can complete, mostly online, maybe some paper pencil where you might take a picture and turn that in on Classroom. This first week, the focus really is just getting you logged in, making sure you understand how to use a few of the sites that we're going to be doing, making sure you can be logged in with that work and that I can see your work and just that we're all kind of on the same page. So each of those assignments will be short. The biggest thing is really just can you get yourself logged in? And then we're going to give you a little bit of algebra review work to do on each of those sites just so that I can see that you are in fact getting that work done and that it's coming through on my end and I'm able to see the work that you're doing, give you feedback on it, give you grades and that sort of thing. Most of you are probably familiar with Google Classroom. Some of the other sites we'll use, IXL is one we'll hit the first week, and look for in that first week, in that first week's unit on Classroom, you'll see a video that's going to like kind of explain the IXL activity. We're also going to use a site called Delta Math and look for a video and an assignment on that. We do have a textbook and an online textbook for this course, but we do not, as of the moment I'm making this video, have access to that yet. IT is working on it and it should be soon, and expect more on that when it comes. Once we get that access, definitely won't be the only thing we'll use, but it'll be a significant piece of what we're going to do. So expect a variety of different formats in terms of your work. But the biggest thing is I'm going to be giving you videos. I'm going to be trying to preview everything I give you. I'm going to be trying to answer questions that you have. And when you have them, I want you to contact me and let me know. I'm going to have a Google Doc up on Classroom where you can leave any problems that you're struggling with and would like to see an explanation on. And that'll be open for the whole class to see so that if somebody's got a problem, they ask and maybe I can put a short video up or even just a written explanation that might help you and other students. We're also going to have a Zoom meeting weekly, and that's going to be based on your class period. But those are going to be in the mornings, and I'll be posting the schedule for that as well. But once a week, you'll have a 1-hour opportunity to be on a Zoom meeting with me and your other classmates. It is not required. You will not lose any points if you miss one, but it's your chance to kind of speak face to face with me or your classmates and kind of get answers to any questions that you might be having. So yeah, basically each week, get some work off a Classroom, work on getting that work completed. It's going to be due by Friday at 1 p.m. So you'll get the new work, at least in a normal week, you'll get the new week work on a Friday. It'll be due the following Friday at 1 p.m. There's going to be a checklist attached to each unit, each week's work. And you need to make sure you complete that checklist. And that's going to be your way of making sure that you're getting everything finished. So you'll get a grade, at least for the first couple weeks, you'll definitely get a grade for that checklist. So it'll just be an easy 100 for just finishing your work and checking it off along that list. But that's your way of staying organized and making sure you're getting everything done. Other questions you might have. We're still working on figuring out assessments. I'm not sure exactly the format on those. This first week, there's not going to be any kind of quiz or test or anything. But once we get into the actual geometry work, we will have some quizzes and tests And I'll give you more details on that as we go. This whole thing's definitely going to be a learning process. So I want you all to feel free to contact me if you've got questions or concerns along the way. And I'm going to try and be receptive to hearing out any concerns you've got and giving you a thoughtful response on them. Best way to get in touch with me is through email. It's frankfurtpm@lcsedu.net, and you can also I think you should be able to get to that through Classroom. I'll make sure it's nice and clear there. Um, Other things we want to talk about, the grading in this class. We're starting off total points, and kind of the default assumption is most of these assignments will be out of 100 points. I'll try and be clear with you as we get through one assignment after the other, kind of what you can expect in terms of grades. You'll be able to check Infinite Campus to keep up with your grades and see how you're doing. You'll definitely get at least a couple each week. And I will probably be putting most of those in either Friday afternoon or Monday morning, since we have a 1 p.m. Friday due date. So I don't tend to go ahead and put the grades in until they're actually due. So you'll do a week's worth of work, you'll get it turned in, I'll get you a grade. If you run into problems where you're unable to get work done by the due date, the best thing you can possibly do is to communicate that to me before the due date. So if you do that, I really want to be flexible with you. I know we're all going through a weird time right now. So just talk to me, just communicate with me, email me, talk to me on the Zoom, whatever you need to do to just let me know that you're not going to be able to get that done. Email is probably the best way, because then there's sort of a written record of it for both of us that you did, in fact, bring it to my attention before the due date. As far as other things, what do we want to get out of this class? Obviously, you're going to learn geometry and a little bit of trig, but I think the biggest thing is we're all going to be learning how to cooperate and collaborate in a virtual setting. That's a big thing, which is probably you're probably going to see more of that throughout your lives. It seems like the direction a lot of things are heading. But also just good clear thinking, good logical thinking. That's a big thing in geometry, you'll find, is trying to be able to really nail down the things you know and the things you don't know, and to try to prove things with certainty based on facts that you know. So we're going to work on kind of building good, strong math and logical thinking skills that hopefully are going to carry you through in whatever direction you want to go after this course. Some of you may head on towards calculus and beyond. Others maybe not, and that can be okay too. But we just want to kind of get you a good, strong foundation with geometry and trig, and hopefully you enjoy your time doing it. So that's kind of our basic big idea recap of what this year is going to be all about. So please check out Google Classroom, go under the classwork and open up that first week's unit, and you will see all the stuff you got there. And if you have questions, please, please, please do contact me. Just let me know. And last thing, one of the assignments you'll find in that week one folder is going to be a getting to know you kind of activity. And feel free to kind of share what you're comfortable with. I realize we haven't even met in person yet. Some of you probably, I'm sure I know at least a few of you from maybe swimming or other ways outside of the classroom. But a lot of you don't know me yet. Share what you're comfortable with. Tell me what you want me to know. And hopefully as time goes on, we can kind of get to know each other better. I'm really looking forward to teaching all of you this year. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So enjoy the rest of your time today, and please just do the best you can with this course, and just let me know what you need in order for me to help you be successful and happy in here. Thank you.